Hey guys, we're back. Another beautiful Monday or Sunday, one of those days. We got a 2017 Impreza. We just got it. I'm gonna part it out. I'm gonna show you guys how to take the taillight out, and if we can, show you guys how to remove the bumper cover in case at home you got a bumper scuff and you want to just pull it off, paint it, put it back on. So these new generation Subarus taillights are really easy. No point in paying somebody to do it. You do it yourself. I'm gonna show you the left side one. The right side's damaged, so it's gonna be the identical same for left and right. You have these two plastic caps here. It's like a beauty cap. Take like a little pick and just pop these guys out. There's two 10s. 110 here, 110 here. Pull those out. Now the taillight is loose, and if you just, like that, literally, you push the pin, pops out, and going back in. When you go back in, this right here, there's a little tab over here. Make sure that this thing slides into that tab, and this will clip into here. There's another tab down here. Make sure you catch these two tabs going in. Don't force it. If you force it, you're gonna break in one of these, and then it's not gonna work. It's actually a pretty nice taillight. I'm gonna put these caps back on. I'm not gonna put it back on the car because this taillight's gonna go in inventory. That's the taillight. Same goes for the other side.